Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave me comments in the section below, like, and don't forget to share this video. Now today is an awesome day for me and also for the channel, because what's in this box, I've been waiting so long to get this package. It's been almost 2 months for them to make, package, ship, and have it delivered to me, and I finally got it. So with that being said, let me go ahead and open this box and show you what I have to reveal. Yes, sir. Guys, let me open this box. All right, here we go, guys. Ooh. All right, so there you have it. This is the rims, guys. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Can you imagine how this is going to look on the car? And also, these rims are also forged, as you can see. When I tell you the rims is so light, it's really light. I think this is the 21 by 11 and a half. This rim weighs probably like about 10 pounds. I can lift that shit up with one hand. That's how light this rim is. Oh my God. And guess where I bought this rim from? Alibaba. I tell you guys are sleeping on Alibaba. Alibaba, they're the real deal. So what I'm going to do, eventually I'm going to buy tires. Hopefully next week or two, I'm going to buy tires to put on it and to install them on the car. So I'm by my brother right now. We're just going to test the back rim and the front rim just to make sure the offset is perfect. I am running a 15 offset and on the front and 15 offset on the back. All right, and this is a 21 by 11 and a half and a 21 by 10 in the front. So I'm about it right here. So we're going to jack up the car, take off the rims that's on it, and just mount them up and see how it looks, just to make sure the offset is perfect. All right, guys, so this is a test fit of the rims. Definitely look good against the black. Let me go to the side to see the offset. The offsets, yeah, it looks good. It doesn't stick out too much, and this is a 15mm offset. I'm gonna go to the side. Yeah. So that's it. So we're gonna take this rim off and put the rear rim on to see how the rear looks. Yeah? Lift up the thing on the back. Okay, so I'm at the tire shop right now because I couldn't get it off at my house. So this is how the back sits with the wheel on. So the offset is good, 15mm. All right, cool. All right, Papi, that's it. Thank you. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, the rims fit perfectly. The offsets 15 and 15 works perfectly with the X6M. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy some tires. I think I'm going to go 285 in the front and 325 in the rear to give it that perfect stance. All right, so this is going to be a 2-part video. So this is the first part, the fitting of the rim. So the next part is going to be the installation. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and how are you guys doing today? It is an exciting day for the channel again. It's almost a week now from the last time I did the beginning of this video where I showed you guys the rim fitment on the car. Now I finally got the tires. I know you guys can see the tires behind me. I'm running a stock setup, 285 in the front and 325 in the back. So the rims are at the shop right now. So I just came by my house to pick up the tires. So I'm gonna head over to the tire shop, put these rims and tires onto the car to finish this car and get this shit over with, because I'm tired of it. All right, guys, so I'm heading to the shop right now, so stay tuned for the installation. All right, guys, so I just made it to the tire shop. My friend right here unloading tires. You might have to go inside of there and push it down. Oh, you can get it? Okay. He's unloading the tires. So we're at Rutland Tire Shop on Rutland Road. This is my guy. He always install all my rims and tires on my car. He's pretty professional. His balancing and wheel thing is very, very good. It doesn't scratch or leave any dent or any imperfection in the rim when he's mounting and balancing the tires. So that's why I always come back to him. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. And yeah, and that's it. So stay tuned for the installation. Alright, so this is inside the shop. He has rims on the wall, selling rims. I am using new lugs because the ones on there, they're kind of like stripping. So these are the new lug bolts that I'm using. This is his machine, as you can see. And this is actually hard plastic, so it's not going to dig into the rims. So that's why I always come here. Alright, so he's jacking up the car. He's going to take off the two front rims, and we're going to start getting these rims installed onto the car with these tires. Here are the four rims. Hey guys, so I have a question for you guys. So when the installer was taking out the valve, because there's supposed to be a TPMS sensor on the back, there wasn't any TPMS sensor. No one came up on the dashboard, nothing like that. So I'm not sure what happened here. If the previous owner removed the TPMS and coded it out because he or she didn't want to deal with the warning light, or from factory, the new BMW that's 2018 and up comes without TPMS sensor. So I want you guys to leave your thoughts below and let me know if that's accurate, because that's weird. Alright guys, so here's my installer Wayne. He's about to install the tires onto the rim. If you notice that he's taking his time to make sure he doesn't damage my rim, because if he damages my rim, I have problems. You see how meticulous he is and careful? That's why I fucks with him. I don't go nowhere else to have them put on my rims and tires. He's the only one that does it. And it's reasonable too, guys. So if you want your rims and tires to get put onto your car, balance and mount, just come to him. I'm gonna leave his information in the description box below, where you can find him, the location of his shop too, as well the address. So you can definitely come here if you're in the Brooklyn area. You wait, I get a free promotion from YouTube channel. If I can pay me now, you take off something off of them, off of the install for free, for free promotion. YouTube. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You have YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. Alright guys, so when he's done, I mean everybody knows how wheels put onto the car. So when he's done put on all four and mount it to the car, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you the reveal, okay? Alright guys, so I just finished installing the rims and tires on the car. As you guys can see, the rims definitely looks good. I definitely like the rims. They definitely pop against the black paint. But I'm not sure about the offset. The offset for the rear, it's still sticking in more. You know, I don't know. I did do the measurement correctly to line it up with the fender flares that I bought. I did go 15mm offset, but it still sticks in. I think I might have to put a 10mm spacers on the back just to let it poke out some more so it sits flush with the fender. But apart from that, it looks good. Let me see the front. The front definitely sticks in a little bit more too as well. But I'm gonna let the front stay. I was trying not to run spacers on the car, but yeah. But the tires, I don't really like the tires because the tires doesn't really give you too much, you know, protection on the rim. I mean, these are low budget tires. I spent like $800 for them. The Continentals, they were gonna run me at least $2,000, and I'm not trying to spend $2,000 right now for tires. But it's okay for now. I'm gonna just leave it. But tell me guys what you think. How does it look against the car? I'm gonna go on the other side and show you guys the other side. I definitely like this color and this style. It's nice. And it's actually forged, guys, as you guys can see. So the rims are super lightweight. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, like, comment, share, turn on the post notification, drop your comments in the section box below. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much again. Peace.